Hello.
Yeah, your voice is clear now.
Nice to hear you.
Okay.
How to call your name, bro?
My name is JD.
JD.
Yeah, JD.
JD.
J is for
What?
jungle, J is for jungle, and D is for dangerous.
Danger. Like army.
Yeah.
Special voice. Voice first. Okay, okay. What are you doing? Huh? Camping?
No, this is my village where I live.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's drink a cup of coffee.
Yes, yes.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah. Pleasure is mine. I'm talking to guy from Indonesia.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm part of India.
You're part of India.
My grandfather up came
What?
from India.
Your
Yeah.
grandfather up
Yeah.
right there. So what do you
Above.
think? Is
Maybe
it
Gujarat. Huh.
okay? Belongs to Gujarat. Uh,
Yeah.
could you introduce yourself briefly? What do you do for living?
First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sulaiman. You can call me Layman. I'm from Loksmawe, North Sumatra.
Okay.
North Sumatra, Aceh. Um, actually, I'm a lecturer at private university.
Mm.
I'm teaching about the management subject
Oh,
and business administration study program.
great.
Besides, I have passive job, yeah, passive income
Yeah.
like freelancer, uh, and helping some student and professor.
Mm-hmm.
For student, I helping about the calculate statistics like SIM EMOS,
Mm-hmm.
SPSS, and
Oh,
for professors, and PhD, uh, I always help them about the upload article to international journal.
all right. Okay. That's a great introduction from your end. Really appreciate that. You're a fluent speaker. Yeah.
I see. How about you? Tell me something about yourself.
Uh, it's been 8 months. I have been teaching spoken English online. Okay. So I have a handful of
Wow!
students and I teach them spoken English because in order to speak well, you have to speak a lot with different people, with different accents. So I'm teaching all walks of life students.
Wow! Using British accent.
Mm-hmm. No, I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't know.
amazing! Huh?
Not sure of
Incredible,
accent
man.
only.
Yeah, and then like Harry Potter. Which one is coming? Oh, it's hard for me because I
Yeah.
familiar with American accent, bro. Everything is easy, American accent. Then using British accent is very hard.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so how
I think
many?
India.
When did
Hmm?
you get married, by the way? Are you married?
I ever married by divorce. I have one son.
Wow, great.
I prepare myself to marry with new wife, inshallah.
Mm-hmm. How many wives do you have?
Former one.
Only one wife. Okay.
No, former,
Okay.
my ex-wife.
Ex-wife. I'm thinking about.
Yeah,
Have you ever thought about it? Raja and Maharaja means emperor. They used to have Raja and Maharaja. Do you know? Emperor. King.
Maharaja, Maharaja,
Kings.
Kolkata.
No, no. I'm just saying that Raja and
Hmm?
Maharaja means emperor. The kings. They used to have 1,000 wives, 100 wives, 500 wives.
Oh, we
Mm.
must drink something too strong.
So what is your take on this? I'm gonna give you a hypothetical scenario. Okay, when you have $1 billion in your account, so will you prefer to get married with 1,000 girls, 100 girls? How many wives will you have when you are billionaire?
First, I want to make my parents happy.
Okay, first of all, you want to make them proud of you. All right, great. Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
every son, I think they
Mhm.
thought about this. Yeah,
Okay. They think of okay. At least once in a lifetime, they have thoughts that they want to make their parents happy, providing how much things they can do from their end, right?
yeah, okay.
Great, great, great.
It's secret.
Secret. Okay. So
First,
right now, are you high?
first.
Right now, are you
Huh?
high? Right now, are you high? Are you drunk?
Hi. No, 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 no. Because there are many people around me. They want to see. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
There
I
are many
can
people.
speak louder.
Okay. So what exactly
Maybe
are you
next
doing
time.
there? Are you eating something over there in that restaurant? What is it?
I'm at the coffee shop. I'm waiting my professor to help him to upload article to Elsevier
Okay.
journal
Mm-hmm.
and America in America.
Oh my God. You're a very smart guy.
Mm.
Yes, you are publishing the articles.
Yeah, Indian people is good. Like,
Mm.
sure.
Ah, you're a funny man. Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you like to watch movies?
yeah, yeah. I like Salman Khan movie, Bollywood.
Okay.
American is my
American.
favorite.
Okay. So
American.
in which language do you watch those movies? Do you watch in Indonesian language or do you watch it in Hindi? I don't think so. You speak Hindi, right?
In
Which language?
Indonesian subtitle,
Subtitles. Okay.
yeah.
Good.
But I like
Mhm.
sing song.
Okay.
But I can't sing. I like song.
Mhm.
Indian. Good, good,
Okay.
good.
Yeah, yeah.
Rohit, Rohit. Yeah,
Mhm.
is
So let's talk about your dream.
enjoy. Hmm?
What was your dream as a child? What was
When I was child, I have a dream. I want to cross overseas, especially Germany.
you wanted to?
Yeah, Germany.
Okay, you wanted to go to Germany.
Maybe I was remember. I want to join with student
Mm-hmm.
from German collaboration
Okay.
about research,
Mhm.
making friend. I think a good chance to making money in Germany.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Would you like to be a scientist instead of professor?
Yeah, my teacher ever told to me that he ever across to America take a master study program.
Okay.
When he was childhood,
Mm-hmm.
he loved look cartoon, American cartoon.
American cartoon animated. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
he had a dream. I want to go to America, but the dream become true. He go to Texas University.
Oh, wow.
He went to Texas University by scholarship.
Great scholarship.
Yeah. How
Fantastic,
about you?
fantastic. No, I'm not that much great person. Okay. I'm living my life in, nature, with my students, by reading books, by traveling here and there. I'm kind of very boring person.
You're a teacher, right?
Uh, I'm teaching, even though I don't have any degree. Okay. But I'm teaching spoken
Teaching
English.
freelance
Freelancer, yeah. You could say that.
freelancer.
Yeah, yeah.
Making
Something
money.
like that. Something like that. Little. But I want to make it
Making money too, right?
little bit money, okay, not too much, but I really want to make handsome amount of money. That's all about it. So let's talk about movies. So are you into movies?
Yeah, movies. Movies.
Okay.
I prefer. I love Indian movies, especially drama, family drama.
Family drama.
Sometimes I love watching action movie, American movie,
Okay.
war.
Okay.
Yeah,
Action movies. Mm-hmm.
action. And then I love listening English music. Yeah, to improve
Mm-hmm.
my accent. Yeah,
Saint. Okay.
yeah. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
How
Have,
about you?
have you ever thought about working as an actor in Hollywood movies?
Not yet.
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
Okay. Do you want to work as an actor, like an action hero, James Bond?
James Bond.
Mm.
I have no talent about like that. Like that. I have no talent about that.
Well,
Maybe I familiar with the teacher character.
okay, teacher character. Okay,
Mm.
you want to
Mm.
play role of teacher. Okay.
Because I'm not strong man like this. I'm not
Hmm.
just soft man. Soft man.
What would be your subject?
I'm teaching about the management, human resource management.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I'm teaching about the research methodology subject.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I've I have a talent about the statistics. Yeah, research methodology subject.
Okay.
I think it's my talent because I collect many theses,
Uh-huh.
master program to help my customer
Mm-hmm.
to complete thorough study,
Okay.
making
Have
money,
you
passive income.
have you ever been to Mumbai, India?
Not yet, but I love it. Maybe someday I want to visit Mumbai.
Mm-hmm.
I ever make connection with Mumbai journal
Mm-hmm.
published, yeah, international journal from Mumbai, India.
Mm-hmm.
High quality. I
I,
like it.
yeah. How is it difficult going to be to me? Okay, to visit Indonesia. Is it easy to come there?
First of all, I want to know. Sorry. First of all, what is your religion?
My religion. I don't have any religion. Because I don't have any stamp on my body. Yeah.
You have no religion.
Yeah.
Really?
I don't have any religion.
I believe it. Atheist.
Huh?
Atheist.
I'm an atheist. Yeah.
Atheist. No
Yeah.
believe God.
I
Yeah,
don't have any religion.
I can
Okay.
believe it. Like in Kerala, Communist
Mm-hmm.
Party.
Okay.
Are you member of Communist Party?
No, I don't. I am not member of anyone because I have my own unique thoughts about the religion, about the gods. I'm
Or you are privacy to talk about your religion?
no, I don't. I don't talk about. I don't like to talk about religion. Okay, I like to talk about humanity instead of religion.
Yeah, yeah. No. I want to discuss the religion because in Indonesia it has multi-religion, Islam, Christian, Buddhist. So if you want to cross to Indonesia, there is located interesting place
Uh-huh.
for Hindus people. The best choice in Bali.
Bali.
For the Muslim, the best choice in Lombok.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, beautiful beach. Yeah, and for Muslim, prefer across to my province, Aceh.
Okay.
Yeah, there are many religious place uh,
Mm-hmm.
unique
Unique.
because Indonesia have 1,000 island, big island and small island.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay. So how is it beautiful country Indonesia?
Yeah, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
And they are respect for foreigner.
Okay. I never been to any other country. Okay. I really want to go. First of all, we will have to be an independent person, right? Financially independent. So you're able to spend some money whenever we travel, right? So yeah, so you
Yeah,
have to be financially independent.
yeah. Maybe if you have much money, you can cross to Bali. It's expensive. Every will pay with dollars.
Hmm.
But if you have a middle people, not rich, not poor, you can cross to Lombok.
Colombo.
It's cheap,
Okay.
but majority of people at the place are Muslim, but they are respect to
Mm-hmm.
others religion. Yeah, the Indonesia is known. Indonesian people. Indonesian is known as a respect people in the world. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, my friend he is a pilot and ever across around the world, and he told that, man, I ever across around the world, but I see that only Indonesia and Malaysia respect
Mm-hmm.
to foreigner. They are polite to foreigner. I don't know why, because I have no research about it, but he told me like that. He is a pilot.
So you
Yeah.
mean that Indonesian people are very respectful for every
Mm,
religions. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, that is good to know about it.
Mm.
Hmm.
How about India? I don't know. Actually.
India,
Tell me something.
India is very vibrant country. Different cultures here. Hindu and Muslim. And Christian also. We all people are living in harmony, I guess. Okay. I think 90% people they do not want fight. At least 10% people they do have that kind of mindset. But yeah, I think India is one of the best country for everyone
Mm.
to live. It's kind of it's kind of vibrant, filled with energy,
Mm.
color, different religions, different languages. You're gonna find like
Yeah.
3,000 languages in India. You know, many languages over here. So it's one of
And
the
why a lot of Indian people clever about mathematics, especially students. Majority of them have capability to beat mathematics. Match, match.
maths, mhm,
Yeah,
mhm,
mathematics.
mathematics.
How about you? Are you clever
I'm not. I'm
about
not.
mathematics?
I failed many times in mathematics. In my schooling time, I had failed many times. Okay, so I was very poor in mathematics. Still, I don't like maths. Okay, I do only normal calculation in my calculator, which is provided by my phone. Okay,
So am I. Me too.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but it's fine. Life is all about your interest. If you do not like mathematics, it's okay. You have different interest of your area,
Mm.
right? So I think,
Bro,
but it's not
I'm so sorry. My professor come. I'll show you. Okay, my professor come.
okay. Okay, then.
See,
Okay.
he likes Indian
Oh
too. You
my
want to see?
God, this is a very beautiful place. Oh,
Ya, Prof. Pak, anak muda India. Anak muda India. You can see his face like Indian too.
yeah.
Really? Really?
He doesn't
Ground na.
know his
Hello, Mura. Yeah,
helmet.
you can see. Hold on. Professor. Yeah, you can see. Hold on. Yeah.
Hi, hi there. Okay, sir. Then
Yeah, yeah.
have a great time with your
Okay, see
professors.
you. Bye, bye,
Yeah,
bye.
bye
Okay.
bye.